In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived three brothers, Amir, Baser, and Rashid. They were known throughout the village for their unmatched work ethic and unwavering determination. Amir, the eldest, worked as a blacksmith, shaping molten metal with skillful hands. His muscles bulged from years of hammering, yet his heart remained gentle, always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. Baser, the middle brother, tilled the land with dedication, coaxing life from the fertile soil. His weathered hands bore the scars of hard labor, but his eyes sparkled with pride as he watched his crop sway in the breeze, a testament to his perseverance. Rashid, the youngest, was a carpenter, carving intricate designs into wood with precision. His workshop hummed with the melody of saws and chisels, each stroke a testament to his craftsmanship. Despite his youth, Rashid's talent surpassed even the most seasoned artisans. Together, the brothers formed an unbreakable bond, supporting each other through life's trials and tribulations. They shared their joys and sorrows, celebrating victories and consoling each other in times of loss. Their hard work and dedication earned them the respect and admiration of the entire village. But more than that, it brought them closer together, weaving a tapestry of love and unity that bound them as tightly as the strongest rope. As the seasons changed and years passed, the three brothers continued to toil side by side, their unwavering resolve serving as a beacon of hope for all who knew them. For in their unity and diligence lay the true essence of success, a lesson learned by the humble trio whose bond transcended time itself.